Now, yesterday we talked about in lesson number 2, we talked, right, a little bit about these tools, edit mode and object mode. Now today we will see how you can add more objects. Now, if you go to edit mode, first I'll delete this, right? There are two ways to add objects. Number one is here on this side, you can see add button. You can add pen, cube, circle, right? A different type of object can be, even you can add monkey head, right? So you can add different things on this. Now let's see, add another mesh, for example, UV. So grab it and move it a little bit because it keep adding on the same spot. Code, okay. Now the other way, I'll just add something as well. Let's see, cube. The other way is go to edit mode, select one of your object, go to edit mode, and when you come to edit mode, you can see these tools here, right? Now add cubes. If you come here, it says add, right? On this thing, add cube, add code, add different things, right? You can add different things. Let's see, add code, right? Click on this, one click and then move it upward. Okay, that's another one. That's code. Click once. But the only thing with this tool is that it will draw perpendicularly, right? Perpendicular means along z-axis only. Okay, this is number 2. We add different ways, right? So you can add object. Now, if you want to add something else, for example, you're gonna go to add. I'll go object mode again, add, and here you have color, surface, different other things, text you can add, right? Even you can add armature. Armature, there are some armature is yeah, you can bring your picture, right? Background picture, for example, if you want to add picture, if you have it in computer, you can display. That is the picture at the background, so you can add picture as well. Okay, let's go. I'll just do with one of these cube. Edit mode. Come here, guys. We're gonna look at these thing. Extrude. Select one face and select face. Press E. E stands for extrude. Okay. Extrude. You can extrude. If you select any face, extrude, you can extrude in that direction. Okay. Now, sometimes I want to draw a beam or something like that, right? Now the thing is, second, I want to cut this into pieces. Okay, can you come here? Or this is loop cut. When you come here, you can see when you move all the faces, you can see a yellow line. That yellow line actually cut your object into that place. Now, if you want to click, it will cut from there. If you draw another one, cut here. But if you don't leave, right click, left click, and do not release it, you can move position. Okay. Now go to the face and then select that face. Oh, sorry, I have to go to the face selection. Select. Now face select, and then you can extrude this. Let's see, I'll extrude this. Okay, you can draw here extra as well. Cut, loop cut. Bring it here, and then select your take face. Extrude downward. Okay. Now, if you can see, you can extrude. Now, even if you can cut loop from here as well. Move it up, and then you can cut it. After, again, you have to select face and extrude. Extrude E, guys. So press E, it will extrude for you, okay? And then you can cut this as well and bring it here, and then again you have to go select that face. Now extrude, okay? So guys, this way you can make different beams or other object, okay, on this. Now, in this one, we have, now today I'll give you a task. I'll give you a task, guys. Sorry, one more tool and then we will go from there, okay? I'll just control Z this. Yeah, we have here extrude, we have insert faces, or the other one is bevel shape. Now select the face, right? Move it downward, move it upward or downward a little bit. Now, and then extrude upward, make it a little bit.
Mister, you know our computer doesn't even have blenders.
Give me 1 second, guys. Extrude, yes. Okay, wait. Now, move this. Sorry. Select the face and then try to make extrude up. So pillar, you gotta make this type of pillar, okay? Okay, guys, these 2, 3